guys, it's Dajir. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a full face of Ben Nye makeup products. So I just had this idea because actually I took like a theater makeup class in school last semester, and I was like, let's see if we can reuse these makeup products to do like street makeup instead of just like theater makeup. Because I have it, so like I want to use it and I don't want it to go to waste. And Ben Nye is actually a really good makeup brand. It's just like I never used it for like street makeup, like regular foundation and stuff like that. So today we're going to be doing that. So grab your Ben Nye makeup kit. Also, if you feel like you want to buy this makeup kit but you don't know if you can use it for like street makeup, this video will help you decide. So if you guys want to see me do a full face of Ben Nye makeup, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows off camera, and I just used the Ben Nye eyebrow pencil in the shade. The Ben Nye eyebrow pencil in black brown. So now let's just get started. So I'm just gonna prime my eyes with the cream highlight in the shade Adobe Glow. And now for eyeshadow, we're gonna take the powder like shade that it comes with. It's actually a powder brush and it's in the shade Coral Red. We're gonna take that. And we're not using Ben Nye brushes today, so just grab whatever brush you use. We're gonna take the BH Cosmetics tapered blending brush, and we're gonna take that and we're just gonna blend that into the crease. This is blending up pretty good considering it's supposed to be like a blush and not eyeshadow. Now we're gonna take Real Techniques domed shadow brush, and we're gonna take that and we're just gonna put this shade all over the lid. I'm gonna blend it really like far out here because I'm gonna connect it with the blush once I do the foundation and all that good stuff. So should we try to add a little bit of, so we're gonna take the Ben Nye color wheel in the shade Bruise and Abrasions, and we're gonna take, actually no, let's not, because this is gonna be kind of like a purpley darkish undertone and I don't really want it to look like a bruise. So I'm gonna take the cream contour wheel in the shade Brown Medium, and I'm gonna take that red shade. I'm just gonna stamp it on the outer part of the eye. The sound is like taking me back to that makeup class. I actually really loved that class. It was really fun and we had a really good like teacher. I love my teacher, my professor. She was the bomb.com. Let's just leave this as is for now. I'm just debating on if I want to do eyeliner or not. Should I? Okay, let's just do foundation. So I already did primer off camera. I don't have a Ben Nye primer, so we're just gonna skip that part obviously. And now for foundation, we're gonna use the Ben Nye cream foundation in the shade Rio Tan. Okay, so now for highlight, we're gonna take the cream highlight in the shade Adobe Glow, the same one that we use to prime our eyelids, and we're just gonna take this and put this under our eyes, on our nose, forehead, and chin. And then I'm also gonna take the cream colors in just the white, and we're gonna put some of that under my eye. I like a really bright under eye. Because they're all the same brand, they are blending together very beautifully on the skin. I don't know if you guys can tell how like smooth my skin looks right now, but it looks really good. Okay, now we're gonna take some of the translucent setting powder in the shade Fair, and we're gonna take this for under my eyes only. Wow, this powder is amazing. It's so fine, like you can't even feel it on the face at all, but it's definitely setting everything nice and smoothly. Okay, Ben Nye. I see you. Now we're gonna take the translucent powder in the shade Cinnamon. This is the one that came in my kit because it's supposed to be like my skin color, and we're gonna take this all over my face. I forgot the contour. Okay, let's do that real quick. We're gonna take we're gonna take, is this too dark? No, that's good. We're gonna take the cream shadow, the cream contour in the shade Rich Brown. Now for blush, we're gonna take that same shade that we used for eyeshadow and put that on the cheeks, blending it up into the eyeshadow. Okay, and now for under eyes, we're just gonna take again that same blush shade on a Juvia's Place small blending brush, and we're just gonna take that and pop that right under the eye. So for eyeliner, I'm just gonna take the cream color wheel, and I'm gonna take, this is the shade Brown Medium, and I'm gonna take the black from it. And I'm gonna go off camera and put on a little lash. I don't even know if Ben Nye makes lashes, but should I put on a lash or no? I'm gonna go off camera and decide if I want to put on a lash, because I feel like that might defeat the purpose, and then I'll come back with you guys for the finished look. Okay guys, so I just went off camera and put on like a small lash, and I googled it. Ben Nye doesn't make lashes, so I had to provide my own lash for this. But this is the finished look of a full face of Ben Nye makeup, and honestly guys, honestly speaking, it looks amazing. Like, so it looks really good. I love it. The foundation is my favorite part. It just looks so good, and everything just looks so nice and like blended together. It just really like chef's kiss. I'm about to buy more Ben Nye products. I wonder if they have like foundation, like, let me Google it. The only thing about these is I feel like it was a little bit difficult to apply. I mean, because you either have to go in like with a brush or go straight in with your beauty blender like into the pan, which I don't like doing. I like putting it on my face and then blending it out. So I feel like the foundation stick will be perfect. But let me know what you guys think down below of this look. Let me know if you guys think it 8 on a scale of 1 to 10, and yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. If you'll be buying Ben Nye makeup products, I definitely will be buying more, and I'm not just like I wanted to reuse the ones from my makeup class, like I said in the beginning of the video, and honestly it looks great. You doing like street makeup, not just theater makeup. So if you're planning on buying like the theater makeup kit, I definitely recommend it. It also has some really cool stuff in there. Like it has like liquid latex, it has like spirit gum, it has like tooth stuff, so you can do some really fun stuff with this makeup kit right here. So anyways, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It will also be linked down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, please subscribe, because I'm trying to reach a goal of 500 subscribers. And I would love to have you join the family. More makeup videos to come. I want to branch out and do like other style videos too, like vlogs and all that good stuff. So leave a comment down below what kind of other videos you think I should do. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.